everyone. My name's Areeya Dangsopa. I'm a student of English major. I study at Phonetic University. In this video, I'm going to talk about differences pronunciation between a and a. A and a. Now, you may don't know when I say a. My mouth that loud and it draws job. However, when I say a, my mouth that loud job and it's with the a, and a, and a. Now, looking for the example. Let's begin with the first word, bat and bed, sat and said, letter and letter, sat and said, better and better. And also, I have an example of a native speaker. Let's go.
Okay, are you ready? Hello, my name is Geir from Norway. The first word, bat, bet, sat, set, letter, letter, sad, said, and bottet, letter. Okay. I bet he'll be good up at the bat. I sat on the bench and set my watch. He climbed the ladder and fetched the letter for me. She said he was sad. He's the better batter on what team?
Now you learned about how to pronunciation. If you practice to pronunciation every day, you will have an accent like a native speaker. And I hope this video would be useful to you. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.